occasionally we choose a plant that needs a little bit of extra consideration in terms of where it's grown and where it's located in the landscape, and that's called our collector's choice. So for 2024, we chose the pawpaw. The pawpaw is actually a native tree to eastern half of the United States and up into Canada, and of course into the eastern and central portions of Oklahoma as well. It is a wonderful small tree, can get up to about 30 feet. It will tolerate deep shade, but it also grows well in full sun. It typically is found growing as an understory tree along the edges of woodland areas, near riparian areas, rivers, etc., where there's nice moisture but has well-drained soils. It has a nice yellow fall color, which is really attractive. But it's a really easy and fun plant to grow, and it has edible fruit on it. So the pawpaw, and this plant here is actually producing some fruit right now. And the interesting thing about this fruit is, well, first it has a sweet custard-like flavor to it, but it also has a very short lifespan. So when it matures, you need to harvest it and eat it right away because it doesn't have a very good shelf life. But the other problem is beating the critters to it too. So a lot of wildlife love the fruit, and if you're not paying attention to it, they'll come in and they'll snatch it all up before you can harvest it. Another thing to remember is if you really want some good fruit on your tree, you need to have 2 or 3 other varieties or trees that have just different genetic diversity, because the flowers, which are produced in the spring, that are reddish brown color, they are self-incompatible. So in other words, they can't pollinate each other. So you'll need 2 or 3 other varieties to cross-pollinate so that you can ensure that you get good fruit. Again, this is a wonderful, small, edible plant that you can put in your landscape, and it is our collector's choice for 2024.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.